Hello everyone, and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And with this tutorial, I want to teach you how to make this little bow. It is very difficult for me to explain this point in English. It is a Tunisian technique, but it's very easy. I am pretty sure that just by watching you can do it. I will use 2.5 millimeters hook with Symphonia brand yarn. Remember, you can buy this yarn with us on our website GretaWings.com. Watch the video until the end and you will be surprised. We will make 45 rounds and will be the same if you made about 10 inches. The same rounds. When you finish the 45 rounds or the size that you prefer, We can make one chain just for secure and cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn only for hide it. And now pay close attention and you can see how I made the form of on this bow using the same colored yarn, some thread and a wool needle. And that's it, we already finished this bow. And I will show you now the another bow using another color yarn, the red one, because now the Christmas coming. And on this bow I only start with 4 chains and later take the loop 3 times. And you can see that it's smaller than this one. I will show you now. You can see. Also you can start with, I don't know, 9 chains and later take 8 loops and will be bigger than this one and so beautiful. And also you can make this bow with another yarn and maybe your size will be different. And now I will show you another project that we already have on this channel and also another one that coming soon. Yeah, now I'm working on some bell and I really love it now because I put it the bone and it's so cute for Christmas. Also I'm working on holly fruits with their leaves. I'm just working right now. But also we already have the hat, a little hat and boots or socks for Christmas. See in the description of this video and I will share with you the list for Christmas. And also we will working on Halloween and coming soon. I hope you like this tutorial and if it's like that, please don't forget to give me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it and that support this wonderful project. You to detect that our tutorial likes and throw up with more and more people. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, I invite you to do it and activate the bell and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until the next project. Bye bye.